Ostriches eat rocks to help with digestion. Since they lack teeth, these small stones, called gastroliths, stay in their gizzard and help grind down food like plants, seeds, and insects. This aids in breaking down tough materials and improving nutrient absorption. This behavior, called geophagy, is common in birds like chickens, turkeys, pigeons, and even parrots. The small rocks or pebbles that birds eat are called gastroliths, meaning stomach stones. Commonly, birds eat granite fragments, sandstone particles, limestone, or other volcanic rocks. They instinctively choose small, smooth stones that won't harm them. It is a unique process designed to break down food efficiently without teeth.